Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Nothing Ear and the Nothing Ear Open Earbuds. These earbuds promise two very different listening experiences to you, whether you're after immersive sound with noise cancellation or an open ear design that keeps you aware of your surroundings. The Nothing Ear aims to block out the world and let you zone into your music, while the Nothing Ear Open lets you stay connected to your environment, ideal for those busy city streets or workouts. But how do they stack up against each other? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two earbuds and see which one is best for your needs and style. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design. These two earbuds couldn't be more different. The Nothing Ear has that classic in-ear style, fitting snugly in your ear canal with silicone ear tips to create a good seal. This design is all about keeping your music in and the world out. It's perfect if you want a focused, immersive listening experience, whether you're on a noisy commute or at the gym. On the other hand, the Nothing Ear Open goes for a completely open ear approach. The drivers sit just outside your ear canal, meaning you can still hear what's happening around you. It's a cool concept, especially if you're someone who likes to stay aware during workouts or while walking around town. But this open design does come with some trade-offs, especially in terms of sound isolation and bass. So I'd say the Nothing Ear takes the crown in terms of providing a more secure and immersive fit, while the Nothing Ear Open is ideal for those who prioritize awareness. When it comes to the features, both the Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear Open offer plenty of customization options through the Nothing X app. You can reconfigure pinch controls, enable low lag mode for gaming, and access multi-point connections for pairing with two devices at once. Where things start to diverge is in the sound controls. The Nothing Ear supports active noise cancellation and transparency mode, allowing you to fine-tune how much of the outside world you let in. Plus, you can adjust the ANC strength and customize your sound profile with features like personalized hearing tests. On the other hand, the Nothing Ear Open lacks ANC, but it compensates with a full parametric equalizer in the app. This allows you to tweak the sound, especially in the bass department, which the open ear design struggles with. While both have great features, the Nothing Ear wins for me due to its added flexibility with ANC and transparency mode, making it more versatile for different environments. Moving on to the sound quality. If you're after deep immersive sound with solid bass, the Nothing Ear is definitely the winner. Thanks to the in-ear design and ANC, you get much better isolation and fuller sound, especially in the low end. You'll feel the beats during workouts or get lost in your favorite playlists without distractions. On the other hand, the Nothing Ear Open naturally struggles with bass and overall sound depth due to its open design. With the drivers sitting outside your ear canal, it's harder to capture those deeper frequencies. But for an open earbud style, it still does a good job, especially if you boost the bass through the app's EQ. But if we're strictly talking sound quality and ANC performance, the Nothing Ear delivers a more satisfying listening experience, hands down. Both the Nothing Ear and the Nothing Ear Open offer decent mic quality for calls, FaceTime, or conference calls. From what I've seen, the difference between the two is minimal. They both manage to filter out background noise fairly well, but don't expect studio quality clarity. For everyday calls and meetings, both earbuds do the job. But if I had to choose, I'd say the Nothing Ear might have a slight edge in clarity, thanks to its better noise isolation during calls. Battery life is where the Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear Open really stand apart. The Nothing Ear offers 8.5 hours of playback on a single charge, or 5.2 hours if you've got ANC on. With the charging case, you can get up to 32 hours of total playback, or 18.8 hours with ANC. In comparison, the Nothing Ear Open gives you about 8 hours of playback on a single charge and 30 hours total with the case. While that's not bad, it's clear the Nothing Ear's ANC takes a toll on battery life. So, if you're looking for long-lasting listening with or without noise cancelling, the Nothing Ear is the clear winner here. When it comes to the connectivity, both earbuds connect via Bluetooth 5.3, and they support multi-point connections, meaning you can connect to two devices at once. In terms of codecs, both offer SBC and AAC, but the Nothing Ear pulls ahead with support for LDAC and LHDC 5.0. If you've got a compatible device, you'll be able to enjoy higher quality audio with the Nothing Ear. iPhone users won't get to experience those higher bit rates, as Apple only supports AAC. But if you're using a Nothing phone or a recent Android device, you'll definitely notice a bump in quality with the Nothing Ear. So once again, the Nothing Ear comes out on top here with its wider codec support and superior sound quality options for Android users. As for my final verdict, it all comes down to what you prioritize. If you're looking for rich sound, ANC, and a fully immersive listening experience, the Nothing Ear is absolutely the better choice. It excels in sound quality, isolation, and versatility, making it perfect for a wide range of environments. But if you value staying aware of your surroundings, especially during workouts or while out in busy areas, the Nothing Ear Open is designed with you in mind. You won't get the same sound depth, but you'll benefit from the open ear design's safety and awareness perks. Personally, I'd go for the Nothing Ear for everyday listening and more demanding sound quality, but both have their strengths depending on your needs.